Hi, so today I have a really awesome project for you that I want to show you. I'm using our Focus on the Good transfer, okay, and some of our 5x7 simple shapes. I chose the natural wood color, but we also have them in a white finish, so you can do either one. These are 5x7 and it comes in a pack of 2, so you just need one set. And also a set of our Focus on the Good chalkable shapes, okay? These are our special boutique coated wood cutouts, and you will love these. You will love, love, love them. Watch as I assemble the coolest photo book ever. I took our Power Punch, you guys. This awesome tool punches right through our wood. I punched holes in the simple shapes, and I loaded it with 4x6 photo photo pages, okay? Now I had to punch the holes in this because what I had at my house was not exactly the perfect size. It was like a full sheet of these, and so I cut them down so that they would fit right into this fun photo book. Now, watch as I put it together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those chalkable shapes and use the transfer, line it up, and just chalk on it. I'm using black velvet here, and I am just smoothing the chalk across the silk screen, and then I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna dry it completely so that I can touch it, and then I'm gonna take some colors. I have our Storm, and I'm gonna just use our paintbrush and paint some on in just a few different spots where it's white. And then the other color I have is Camel, which I will add a little bit of detail in the camel color too, so that it all kind of coordinates and looks kind of like old-fashioned and neutral colors for the wooden book pieces, the wooden bookends, I guess is what you call them. So that looks pretty cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and use those same colors to chalk this little floral piece. So you might think, why in the world are you not using vibrant colors? Well, I wanted this theme to be kind of old-fashioned, kind of just neutral colors, and this really did the trick, and it came out great. Wait till you see. It looks so good. And then I'm going to do a little ombre on here with black in the center and then gray on the outsides. And if you start in the middle and kind of smooth your paste outward, it blends really well. So you'll like that. And of course, dry it. We're going to get everything dry before we assemble it. Once it's dry, we can start to assemble. I'm going to use the 2-glue method. So I'm going to put some Gorilla Glue on here and some hot glue, and then set it in place. I'm going to do the same thing for this. And then the floral is going to be a little tricky. I'm going to layer it. And so I'm going to use some foam tape on the back, and then I'm going to glue it on to the other piece. So it looks really cool. Check out the photo at the end of this video and you'll see how I layered it. I am just taking some really cool ribbons, tying it to the rings that I use to hold the book together. Hope you love it. For more ideas and inspiration, make sure you follow my page and click on the link to grab your supplies for this project. Thanks for watching.